Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money in Division 2. E-credits are essential for buying new gear, recalibrating your favorite weapons, and upgrading your base of operations. We'll explore several effective strategies to keep your wallet full, ensuring you can always afford the best equipment. From selling unwanted loot to leveraging daily activities, you'll learn how to consistently boost your in-game finances and thrive in the game world. One of the most straightforward ways to earn credits is by selling the vast amount of loot you acquire. Simply mark any gear you don't need as junk, then visit a vendor to sell it all with one button press. You'll also find many small trinkets like cell phones and toys. These can be sold for a good price too. Weapons typically fetch around 300 E-credits each, while armor pieces are slightly less, but it all adds up quickly. Capturing control points is a fantastic, repeatable source of income. Once secured, their supply rooms restock every 24 hours, offering new gear and materials you can sell. Additionally, engaging with daily and weekly projects provides a steady stream of rewards. These tasks often grant E-credits directly or valuable crafting materials and blueprints, which can save you money on upgrades or be converted into cash by selling crafted items. The Dark Zone offers high-risk, high-reward opportunities. Clearing landmarks can yield around 5,500 credits per completion, plus plenty of gear to sell. You can also deconstruct contaminated loot for Dark Zone resources, which are valuable. Furthermore, as you gain SHD levels, you earn scavenging points. Each point can be converted into 10,000 E-credits, making your SHD watch a powerful, consistent source of income for your agent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.